So I got this new water bottle called the Cirkul. I love it so much. If you don't know anything about it, keep watching. So I got this fun box in the mail today. It was a few days late because we had a snowpocalypse here and the mail was running behind, and the poor box is in like pretty bad shape. But anyway, I wanted to open it with you and see what's inside. So, okay. Ta-da! So how this works is you get a bottle and you get a lid. So that's what I have. This is a different kind of bottle, and you get a lid. And then what Cirkul sells you is these cartridges. And inside here, so these are the cartridges that you buy. They're like, I don't know, $3. The more you buy, the cheaper they are. And they flavor your water. So you drink through that thing, and then when it's empty, you just throw it out and get it. I actually want to show you what's inside this cartridge. So this little white part just pops off. It's got a little water in it. And then there's this little pouch, and that pouch is full of flavoring. And just a little bit comes out every time you drink, and you can set it where, like, from 0 to 10. 0 is no flavor comes out, it's just water. And then all the way up to 10 is like full blast flavor comes out when you drink through it. Okay, so I actually ordered the $100 box this time, which gets you 40 packs of flavoring and a bottle. And then I also ordered this extra this time. My mom also drinks Cirkul. This is like a little koozie thing. You put it in there and it covers your bottle. So this is gonna actually be for my mom. And my mom and I are gonna split this box, so it's just $50 each, and she gets 20 and I get 20. And I'm gonna show you some of the flavors I got. So we got tangerine, and all these are like no sugar. They either use stevia or sucralose, or you can get none of that at all. So tangerine, apple, pear, peach, there's another apple, raspberry, lemonade, blueberry, cranberry, let's see, fruit punch, that's one of my favorites, fruit punch. Let's see, peach, lemon, tangerine, berry pomegranate, more tangerine, lemon lime, pineapple, peach mango, mango grapefruit, sweet tea and lemon. That one's for my mom. Let's see, strawberry lemonade, mango grapefruit. I think that's all the... Oh, here's a watermelon. Watermelon, strawberry kiwi, raspberry lemonade. That's another one of my favorites. So one cartridge does about 6 bottles if you have it on a 5 setting. So that's half. I usually drink it on a 3 or a 4. So I can usually get sometimes up to 8 bottles out of one cartridge. And when I use this, you can see it's bigger. I usually get about 6 of these out of one cartridge when I drink on a 3 or a 4. If you have a hard time drinking water, or even if you don't, I mean, like, I love water, but I also love flavored water. So if any of that applies to you, I highly encourage you to give Cirkul water a chance. It's fun, and it gives you something to drink that's not carbonated or full of a lot of sugar, and also get in your water and hydration. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you next time.